Never leave a glass of water near your bed while sleeping. Here's why. Do you have a habit of leaving a glass of water on your bedside table before going to sleep? Perhaps you feel that it's the best way to have a glass filled with water by your side and have it straight right in the morning before you hit the daily light of the outer world. However, this trick is doing more harm than good, and it's very unhealthy for you. When you keep a glass of water next to your bed and have it in the morning, you will notice a difference in the taste. And it will also make you feel uneasy for the starters. The reason is, water does not have complex sugar composition or other elements in it, and when it comes in contact with the air, it is hit by different kinds of microbes and other agents that make it very unfit for consumption. Other than the scientific reason, we shouldn't keep a glass of water near our bed for spiritual reasons. Also, when we sleep, we release a lot of energy in the air, and water as an element which can imbibe anything with it, easily catches onto the released energy and absorbs it. Basically, you might always be stuck in this never-ending circle. It is advised rather to keep a small bottle of water along with a clean glass, which should be covered with a coaster.